They say people won't like it if you don't got a good beat on it. I beg to differ. I beg to differ. Earlier this year in May, somewhere in Florida, it was brought to everyone's attention that there was a young man who was going out with a girl. They had been going out for 9 months and she got pregnant. Upon being 6 weeks pregnant, she decided to go to the boy's father because he's a fertility doctor so that she can get an ultrasound and see what's going on with the baby. After leaving the hospital or the doctor's office, the boy came and he gave her a medicine. And he told her his dad sent it, and it was to get rid of an infection. Upon taking the medicine, she immediately got cramps, and essentially the baby was aborted. So he gave the abortion pills. So she then went to court, filed paperwork, and essentially charges ended up getting pressed against him. The charge that was pressed against him was murder. And murder carries a life sentence, as you know. The embryo, which was in her stomach, was only 6 weeks old, and that is what occurred. My issue with this is that if she had initiated the process, there would be no charge. But because he initiated the process, there is a charge. As a result, you can clearly see that in one situation, there's a devaluation of life. So since he initiated the process, then the embryo's life is way up here. And if she had initiated the process, then it's considered as essentially not a life. To me, the law should be parallel to match. It should be parallel to each other. So at the point where an abortion becomes illegal, should be the same point at which murder can be interjected into the case. I'm not saying what the boy did is right. What I'm saying is that he shouldn't have been charged with murder. They could have charged him with endangering the girl's life. They could have charged him with tampering with medicine and with many different things. But murder shouldn't be the charge that he was charged with. You can argue that how it's the law, and because the law says so, is why he should be charged with it. But that would be a kind of weak argument, per se. That would be you hiding behind the law. Laws don't get changed only until someone decides that something is right or something is wrong. That's the only time that laws really essentially get pushed to get changed, unless it directly benefits some other people, who we won't speak of right now. But essentially, in my opinion, the laws should be parallel to match. If the laws aren't parallel to match, as I stated, then there becomes an imbalance and life is devalued. And at no point in life should anyone's life be devalued, no matter the stage at which the life is starting or ending, or whichever the circumstance may be. Currently, the boy reached a plea agreement with the courts and the lawyers, and he's not going to be getting life. He's going to get about 13 years or so in jail. But as I stated, murder should not have been the charge which he has been charged with. If you disagree, go ahead and comment below and let your comments be known. If you see the imbalance in the law within the devaluation of the life of the embryo, you can go ahead and comment and let that be known as well. You can do whatever you want to do. Let your opinion be heard. And now you know. You have been informed. Now get engaged. The laws won't change unless we change them. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. When you're done, visit the official webpage, www.informandengage.com. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Twitter. Now that you know what to do, go out and do it.